Hello dear traders, you're watching the latest financial calendar on Insta TV with me, Anna Kasatkina. Early next week, the following macroeconomic events will see the light of day. On Tuesday, Germany will report on its manufacturing business activity. Preliminary data is expected to show a mere drop to 55.5 in the index. The December report showed that German business activity in the manufacturing sector increased faster than expected to 55.6, which is the 35-month high. The increase was linked to higher goods production, a surge in new orders and higher business inventories. According to pundits, Germany's manufacturing sector is in a rather healthy state. Goods producers plan to raise their output in 2017, and that's why they increased material stocks for the first time since October 2014. Later on Tuesday, the United States will release the data on existing home sales for December. The sales are anticipated to drop to 5.56 million units. In November, sales showed the third monthly growth in a row. Existing home sales added 0.7% to 5.61 million houses, which is the strongest level since February 2007. Economists had projected a fall of 1.8% to 5.52 million houses. Existing home sales in the US make up around 90% of sales in the country. For quite a long time, the country's key interest rates were very low, thus boosting prices and activity in the housing market. However, after the presidential election on November 8, borrowing costs increased. Besides, the Federal Reserve is implementing its plan of gradual rate hikes. On Wednesday, the IFO Institute for Economic Research will publish business climate data for Germany. Analysts suppose that the business climate index will stay at the same level of 111 in January. In December, business climate unexpectedly improved in Germany. The IFO indicator advanced to 111 from 110.4 in November. Analysts had predicted a slower rise to 110.7. According to the IFO estimate, Germany's business confidence in December stood at the highest level since February 2014. Meanwhile, the current assessment indicator also increased, and so did the expectations index. In addition to these events, the following statistics will be revealed at the beginning of the next week. On Monday, Canada will unveil its wholesale sales data. On Tuesday, Germany and the Eurozone will publish its reports on business activity. The United States will also deliver its PMI statistics. On Wednesday, Australia will provide its consumer inflation data. And this concludes the calendar of the latest financial events prepared for you by Insta TV team. Thank you and see you next week. Bye.